Dear travel enthusiasts, welcome to our monthly travel newsletter, where we embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover the hidden paradises and budget-friendly getaways that Fiji has to offer. In this edition, we bring you a hand-picked selection of lesser-known destinations and travel deals that promise unique experiences without breaking the bank. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore Fiji like never before. 1. Rikaraki, the serene seaside retreat. Nestled away from the usual tourist routes, Rikaraki is a charming coastal town offering a serene escape. Embrace the laid-back island life as you bask in the warm sun on pristine, uncrowded beaches. Snorkel in crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life, or embark on an adventure to the nearby Nabalezere waterfall. Rikaraki provides budget-friendly accommodations and local eateries that serve delicious Fijian cuisine. 2. Savu Savu, the hidden gem of Fiji. Prepare to be enchanted by Savu Savu, a true hidden gem tucked away on Fiji's second-largest island, Vanua Levu. Known as the hidden paradise of Fiji, Savu Savu offers a blend of lush rainforests, natural hot springs, and untouched beaches. Explore the vibrant underwater world through affordable snorkeling and scuba diving excursions. Stay in cozy guest houses or eco-lodges that capture the essence of Fiji tropical beauty. 3. Ovalau, timeless beauty and rich history. History buffs and nature lovers will find solace in Ovalau, a small island with a rich colonial past. The historical town of Levuka, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, will take you back in time with its preserved architecture and fascinating stories. Explore the island's lush landscapes and pristine waters on a budget-friendly backpacking adventure, as Ovalau offers a range of affordable accommodations and activities. 4. Taveuni, the Garden Island. Venture to Taveuni, known as the Garden Island, due to its lush rainforests and vibrant flora. Experience Fiji natural beauty at its finest as you hike through the Boma National Heritage Park, visit waterfalls, and discover the thriving marine life in the Somosomo Strait. Taveuni caters to budget-conscious travelers with a variety of guest houses and eco-resorts. 5. Kadavu, off the beaten path. For the adventurous souls seeking an authentic Fiji experience, Kadavu beckons with its remote and untouched landscapes. Dive into the Great Astrolabe Reef, one of the world's largest barrier reefs, without breaking the bank. Stay in budget-friendly lodges and witness the traditional Fijian way of life, unspoiled by mass tourism. 6. Beka Island, thrills on a budget, calling all adrenaline junkies. Beka Island offers budget-friendly adventures that will get your heart racing. Dive with sharks, surf the legendary waves, or try your hand at firewalking during a Fijian cultural show. The island's affordable accommodations and backpacker-friendly options make it an ideal destination for budget-conscious travelers seeking excitement. 7. Yasawa Islands, paradise within reach. Indulge in the allure of the Yasawa Islands, where idyllic landscapes and warm hospitality await. Discover secluded beaches, take scenic hikes, and mingle with locals in traditional Fijian villages. The Yasawa Islands offer a range of budget-friendly beach resorts and backpacker accommodations that will make your dreams of paradise come true. 8. Navala Village, a glimpse into Fijian culture. Immerse yourself in the heart of Fijian culture at Navala Village. This traditional Fijian village showcases the authentic way of life, and you can participate in the traditional Sevasevu ceremony. Opt for a homestay experience or budget-friendly guest houses to get the full cultural immersion. 9. Mamanuca Islands, affordable island hopping. Fancy some island hopping without breaking the bank? The Mamanuca Islands offer a cluster of picturesque islands with budget-friendly accommodations and various activities. From snorkeling to island exploration, you can create unforgettable memories on a budget. 10. Sigatoka Sand Dunes, a natural wonder. Unearth Fiji geological wonders at the Sigatoka Sand Dunes, where unique landscapes and cultural significance blend. Discover the archaeological sites and enjoy an affordable adventure exploring this natural marvel. In conclusion, Fiji hidden paradises and budget-friendly getaways offer a treasure trove of unique experiences without compromising on the magic of the islands. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore these lesser-known gems, making unforgettable memories on a budget-friendly journey through Fiji enchanting landscapes. Happy travels! Best regards, your travel newsletter.